Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open Air Command with your S Pen on your S25 Ultra. So if you want a menu to appear when you take out your S Pen, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and take out your S Pen. Here, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Settings at the top right. Now scroll down until you see Advanced Features, which is right here. Now go ahead and tap on S Pen. Now from this menu, find when S Pen is removed. Tap on this. And here, this will basically tell you when S Pen is removed, you want to open the Air Command, create a note, or do nothing. So if you want to open the Air Command, go ahead and select that and then tap Home. Now put your S Pen back in. And now when you remove your S Pen, you'll see the Air Command open up with this menu. So there you go guys, that is how to open up the Air Command when you remove your S Pen from your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.